Today we are proceeding exercise 3.1, 3.4, 3.4. Question number 1, part C. Y is equal to cos 3x and tangent 3x. Y equal to cos of 3x and plus tangent 3x. We are differentiating with respect to the use of the first principle. According to the first principle, first of all we write the first principle rule. dy by dx is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 f of x plus delta x minus f of x divided by delta x. This is called first principle rule. First principle rule by using for the derivative, first derivative. Now here y is equal to cos of 3x, y is equal to f of x is equal to cos 3x plus tangent 3x. Now according to the formula, so increment is required on both sides. We are taking increment. Here is y, so we are increment delta y, and here cos 3, and here x is available. We are taking increment x plus delta x similarly, and tangent 3, and here we take delta x increment. Now we change this value y to the right side, so the sign is also changed. Delta y is equal to cos of, we can write this 3x plus 3 delta x plus tangent 3x plus 3 delta x. We open the brackets, 3 is multiplied here and 3 is also multiplied, and we change here the value of minus y. Now we substitute the value of y in this, replace cos of 3x and tangent 3x. So cos of 3x plus 3 delta x plus tangent, we can write here sine 3x plus 3 delta x divided by cos of 3x plus 3 delta x, because as we know that tangent theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. We know that tangent theta is equal to sine theta divided by cos theta. According to this formula, we can write minus, we substitute the value of y as here cos 3x plus tangent 3x. Now we multiply this term. Here we take cos 3x plus 3 delta x plus sine 3x plus 3 delta x divided by cos 3x plus 3 delta x. We cannot cancel this result because that is theta. So minus, we are multiply, open the bracket, cos 3 of x and minus it plus minus equal to cos of 3x plus 3 delta x minus, we take here this term minus cos 3x and plus sine 3x plus 3 delta x divided by cos of 3x plus 3 delta x minus tangent, we can write according to the formula sine theta divided by sine 3x divided by cos 3x. Now we take LCM this term, and also we know that the formula Here we consider this is alpha and this is beta. Cos alpha and cos alpha minus beta minus 2 sine alpha plus beta 3x plus 3 delta x plus 3x divided by 2 and sine alpha minus beta and sine alpha minus beta alpha 3x plus 3 delta x minus 3x. So that is the value of cos alpha and cos beta FB. Now plus we take LCM of this term cos 3x plus 3 delta x and cos of 3x. We multiply this term here sin 3x plus 3 delta x cos of 3x minus sin 3x and cos of 3x plus 3 delta x. Now that is sin alpha, that is considered alpha and beta, sin alpha cos beta and alpha cos beta, sin alpha minus beta. So minus 2 sin, we add this from 3x plus 3x, we get 6x plus 3 delta x divided by 2 and sin 3x minus 3 both are cancelled, 3 delta x and plus we can have sin alpha minus beta, sin alpha minus beta, sin alpha minus beta 3x plus 3 delta x minus sin alpha beta, beta is in here 3x divided by cos 3x plus 3 delta x and cos of 3x. Here this is the formula sin alpha minus beta, sin alpha cos beta and cos alpha sin beta, sin alpha cos beta and cos alpha sin beta. So that is cancelled to each other, we get the term is that one. Now multiplying go. Now we simplify this from delta y is equal to minus 2 sine, this will be cancelled, 6x divided by 2 and 3 divided by 2 delta x sine 3 delta x plus sine 3 delta x divided by cos 3x plus 3 delta x and cos of 3x. Both are cancelled, 3 sine 3x. Now applying the limits of the equation delta y, dividing both sides by delta x, and here we are divided by delta x and here is also divided by delta x. Now applying the limits, limit delta x tends to 0, delta y divided by delta x is equal to limit delta x tends to 0 minus 2 sine 3x plus 3 by 2 delta x and this delta 3 delta x divided by 2 and divided by delta x plus limit delta x tends to 0 sine 3x sine 3 delta x divided by delta x and cos of 3x plus 3 delta x and cos of 3x by dx dy by dx, and limit we try to, according to the formula, 3 by 2 is required here, 3, and we can write this 2 here delta, and also we 3 is will be multiplied and divided by minus 2 sine limit delta x tends to 0 sine 3x plus 3 divided by 2 delta x and sine delta x 3 divided by 2 divide delta x, this 2 we can write by minus and divided by 2, and also we multiply by the 3 and also 3, so both are cancelled and this term will be same by delta x. Similarly plus limit delta x tends to 0, we are trying to solve this also. If we multiply 3 sine 3 delta x and divided by 3 delta x, both are same, and here 1 divided by cos of 3x plus 3 delta x into cos of 3x. Now expand this term further if we expand this one, this term is applied by limit delta x tends to 0, minus 3 is outside from the limit, sine 3x plus 3 by 2 delta x. Similarly apply on this limit, delta x tends to 0, sine 3 delta x divided by 2 and divided by this 3 by 2, 3 delta x divided by 2 plus limit this term, limit of this term, limit delta x tends to 0 and 3 we take from the outside here also, sine 3 delta x divided by 3 delta x, and limit of also here we take limit of by dx is equal to minus 3 limit, if we apply limit here, so we get here sine 3x and we put here 3 by 2 and to 0 plus and dot 1 we get here plus, and here also 1 3 and 2 1 and divide by this term is cos 3x plus delta in place of 3 delta put 0 and cos of 3x. So we get the result here minus sine 3x, this will be 0 minus sine 3x and plus 3 divided by cos 3x and cos 3x, cos square 3x, we get minus 3 sine 3x plus 3, we can write this is secant square 3x, which is the required result of differentiating with respect to x by using the first principle rule. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks again for watching.